You know, everyone bank pin them. And when you come and start work, and my friend come and set up the bank card for you, me make you. And you have to work 16 hours, they come tell the girl, say, hear him to them now. You know me know she wicked. Because the woman I tell me, say, me for work 16 hours. So now that's where the law say. You come and fabricate story, you a manipulator later. You sit down and ball like you're a baby to people. When I talk loud. I'm still stand by you. A long time you know that wicked and you're not with me doing. But I try for force water uphill. Nothing beat I try but I fail. I leave me alone. It no matter how much man left me, I fight pin them that man. I'm in there for 22 years. That's one come and go no go. I done bad trend. I feel like. Clark star, I got to make boy cack up that life and take plane Clark taxi. And them not appreciate me. And Trim come put my bad job. And penalty. Why not think him run? You think I can where I want to go? You go to Canada, go sleep in a London vice house and come out of this the man. But the man say borrow your jacket. You should have shared my self. But you're tipping at the man house. Still appreciate him because the next blood clot friend of yours they get the airport and how you live better life. You live better life. You don't have a pot to piss in. Here is mine. The government give me for living. I can't fight. I'm making a in this to it. You complain, but you not live that life. Tell them say you run because you know pity them now go accept you before you do my job. Tell them you come back, stab, and stab. Remember me telling me 8 when me get my car. You think I do me I make? Or you dig up my and then go back and show me how you do it. I demonstrate how you do me. Don't do me fear. Enough is enough. You could have come back. That's why your mother have to send your blood clot container. You can't chat to me, boy. You ain't got one blood 8 months. You know what? Now, your mama ever send a container come here. Tell the people them say you suffer, you regret for your blood. Because you have to prove to people. And you want done me. You're not blood. I make you the happiest in your life and you will find out someday, somehow or somewhere. Remember that. A good over evil. You never one day abandon me none of the goodness. You hear that? Get that all of your little dirty self. We have enough for you, boy. My married to you out of love. But from before my married September. 18th of September when I go back up England, I know say you're an idiot. I'm going to accept you for who you is. And when everybody laugh after you and say you want a lamp aisle, when you send me the picture, you come tell people, boy, you never like social media. You tell a friend them, say, my dog, a pink wall me reach, you know. I never know when I reach pink wall. Remember good not doing? Picture when you have on the car key. When you look to do it, we see us plan up how much in people time and part of time. Another first you do it, another second, you go always. What me I do with your boy? All when you diss me, all when you hate me, I run the left, still I defend you. I'm still I diss me and I join up in people the day when my daughter dead. I'm in there cemetery. You get a freedom pass. And you put up, you emancipate yourself from mental slavery. I'm a hold my composure. I don't pay no mind. I'm say look at day and choose. What a day you choose? Because I know nobody. And because I stab you, you can't deal with my cool and get up as a married man. And I said, me say no man to my goodie. So that means nobody enough to call me name. So me if say one man to my goodie when you run a guy left me. When I for the sit down and say my husband and come back to me. When you get up and you block me and me block you back. And then we not talk to one another. All of that Canada show off a bantan me. You can't bantan me do it. The man put you up, you're ungrateful. You're ungrateful for every blood clot body. Right now you're looking for each of our blood. Wherever should they live free. Talk to me now, young man. Don't allow me. It must can done now, man. Look how far you're there. Let me stay on blood and ball about you. Leave me. What is done is done. When you constantly wake up 100 to me. Stop look clout off of me and I talk about people that look clout. I'm born in Canada. Why you go to Niagara Falls? Niagara Falls where everybody go from, you go to Canada. You know I live no turn me down. I give you an ammunition for you capitalize on me make. I'm going to do you for save back at 10 grand, you for put back this. You know why I'm not teaching. You know, you're waiting for your interview. I teach you enough of time for you to teach. I just let in with me. Well, good luck to you. Stop call my name. I said this back here one them. And if that you want for your family doing, go on doing. Make them tell us me I tell us if you're afraid. Don't be afraid. Don't afraid of me doing. Come here. Yeah? Done. Remember you don't want me, you know. So I'm supposed to have the live with people that talk about you know. I'm going to leave you, brother man. Leave me the fuck alone. You do me enough. I hold up a red line. You see people laugh after me and mock me, and you still dismiss me. I'm going to take it. All when them the internet had done me, you still treat me bad for you. You was the boy them do her bad. I know it was time. I'm going to come from England. When I come to England, I turn idiot. When I come back, I turn England idiot. My dream same, I come back. My dream do how much in time. The first my dream do it. I'm going to hold it. You know what rehabilitate me? TikTok. TikTok discipline me. TikTok keep me up. You hear that? I don't care about doing. So leave me alone doing. I always tell you, don't make me turn from you. Because I know you show up for me. I know in your heart to show up, you show up doing. Because you can't take the success and the power I have. You feel like through me, I'm too powerful. So instead of you take it as a man and take my one and put 2 on it and make 3, you fight me, brother. But I don't wish you no bad. Leave me doing. Doing me a powerful woman. I mean, I wish you no bad. Leave me, darling. Go and live your life with your baby mother. All who jeer you, I jeer me doing that now putting away, brother. Because when the internet lock off and really to chip your dirty blood, we are human. So all who are rare fear. It's nice at the minute, man. Stop it doing. Leave me alone. Are you married to me, Dewey? Are you married to me? Remember me tell him I never got married to you before I married Dewey. Remember? And you get up and you say to me, say crazy. The dates are going to run out, you know. And you tell me married for your birthday. And when you come to England, the first thing you say to me, say, remember, Dewey, don't press me. See him any blood. If you talk me, I have whole it more than you. Because you got deep. You sleep my vent, I sleep my truth. You don't have no limit. You just get up and chat to your people them doing. So make we go at it. Because you like disgrace and attention. Me like it to do it. But there's time and place. And there's time when you can't done. Leave me alone, do it. You make things constantly I get out of proportion because you go like you not do nothing. Too loud as your friends say. Everybody want pine finger. The two we are too dirty blood. You hear that? But you're sneaking. And you self-sabotage yourself. That's who you are. You're cold-hearted. Remember you tell me, so when your father used to tell you to come home 4 o'clock, you come home 8. And you make sure you be stubborn. You're scared. Don't do it to me anymore, doing. Release me. Not just release me at Canada. You know, release me. Stop lying. Me release the doing, Scarlett. Remember, I'm old and I'm here, your friend, and my laugh and say doing it at the end today before me. Me never. How me say you deal with I said, do it, don't.